Hey up, and welcome back. Or welcome if you haven't been here before. If you haven't been here before, there's 4 videos already in this series. I'll link them in the description if you're interested to see where we're at with this car. I don't know what the hell this is, but it's loud, it's massive, and it's in the way. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah. What are you? Oh, God. What have he dropped? My dad's just dropped his ratchet down here, but I found something more interesting. Can I get it? It's just plastic. Oh. Yes. Oh no. 2 cars in one. I wonder how old that is. Well, it's got one up on the MG. It actually moves. So at this point everything was coming out nicely. That's the carbs removed, that's the radiator going out now, and now we get the hoses removed. Our luck ran out with the exhaust manifold though. I think it had a vendetta against one of us. One of the bolts just refused to come out. So I was pretty happy when we managed to get it out. This bolt is the root of all evil. That one. Just using the prop shaft as one big spanner. Jesus. Oh, this is gonna snap, yeah. Wait. It didn't help. It didn't help that I was tightening it. This time I wasn't. Oh. Please, get off. Get off. Right. I'm trapped now. What is it, Murph? My dad's whinging that he's tired, so we're gonna have to leave it for today. He's giving me an evil look now. We've stripped a lot down, so we're almost there. I've borrowed an engine crane off my father-in-law. Cheers, Jim. So, a couple of days for me, a couple of seconds for you guys, and then we can get whatever this thing is out of the car. I think that's everything that I needed to unbolt. The gearbox is held up by a jack. Engine mount bolts are out. Let's see what happens. Right, if this looks like it's messy and we don't know what we're doing, that's because it is, and we don't. Basically, I tried connecting the lift to the rocker cover bolts. I'd read that's the best place to do it and that's how they would have done it in the factory, but as soon as we put any tension on, I just did not feel comfortable. Annoyingly, I couldn't attach the leveler directly to the hoist arm because I hadn't got a D-link that would fit. So at that point, we got a couple of straps around it, brought it forward, chocked it up on some wood so that we could get a third strap around the gearbox, and that gave us enough leverage with the front of the car down to be able to maneuver it out. I think we need a different process for getting this stuff back in the car. Look how much space we've got now. Well, that was a nightmare, but it's out. Now, if you're wondering why this video was me taking out the engine and not cracking on with those sills like I said I was gonna, basically we've shifted gears a little bit. The new plan is I want to be able to move the car in and out, and I want to get it running and driving under its own steam. So, engine's out. We're going to give that a once over. I'm going to repair the other wing, which I really didn't want to do straight after doing this one, but I'm going to repair the other wing. Then, once that's done, we'll clean out the engine bay, get it all painted up. I'm not going to do a proper job. I can't afford to pay thousands of pounds to get this thing painted. The engine bay is just going to be a rattle can job. It'll look nicer than it looks today. So I'm going to get the other wing sorted, get the engine bay prepped and painted, get the front cross member and steering rack and whatever else just treated and painted and looking all right. Then we can get the engine back in. It'll be fine. So when the engine and gearbox go back in, we'll have a roll in, and all this front end at that point really will be finished. Both inner wings, engine bay. Also, I hate the red colour of this engine. And I'm pretty certain, not that I'm making this thing fully original, but I'm pretty certain when the engine came out of the factory in '77, it will have been painted black. And I think it would look really cool if it was all black with chrome, silver painted bits, and the engine bay just being the same colour as the outside, which is going to be some form of red, I think. But let me know what you think. You know, red engine bay, red car, black engine, chrome, shiny bits. I think it'll look pretty good. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.